Task: program a second key to a 2007 Ford F-150. Conditions: Auto Pro Pad Lite, 1 programmed cut key, and 1 unprogrammed cut key. Standards: originate a second master key using the Auto Pro Pad Lite. Disclaimer: the SgtLocksmith channel gives no warranty and accepts no responsibility or liability for the accuracy or completeness of the information and materials contained in this video. Under no circumstances will SgtLocksmith nor Specialist C. Brown be held responsible or liable in any way for any claims, damages, losses, expenses, costs or liabilities whatsoever, including, without limitation, any direct or indirect damages for loss of profits, business interruption or loss of information, resulting or arising directly or indirectly from your use of inability to use this video or any videos linked to it, or from reliance on the information provided in this video. Now here's SgtLocksmith.
Alright, got 2007 Ford F-150. We're going to make I seem to be grabbing this Auto Pro Pad a lot. This one here, not the bigger ones, just to do some of these easier ones. We're going to do an F-150 2007. Do you agree? I do apologize for the train in the background. Now, when I'm working on their vehicle, I like to pull the keyless code for their outside door. That way, if they don't have it, I give it to them. Just a little added value, but to each their own on it. Some guys do, some guys don't. Now I will turn the camera away while it's pulling it because I don't need it broadcast. Now you notice this here, it's a simple one. Gotta love it. It did pop up with it. So now we're gonna go by vehicle, immobilizer, scroll up to F-150. And I did verify the VIN, build date on the door, read number of keys. Now we're going to add a key. We're going to insert the new one that we just cut. Turn the ignition on, yes. And yes, I want the 10-minute bypass. And we just sit there, wait. I know you can also do the other trick of put the key in, turn on, turn off. Sometimes it will, okay. There, we got it. Now our keys. Got my 3 keys. Start it. There we go. Easy money. Easy time to do it. Alright, hey, it's SgtLocksmith. Thanks again for watching. And let's be safe out there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Get notifications. We'll be putting more videos out. Thanks again.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below.